Have you ever wondered how modern DevOps practices work? How about the magic of Docker and Kubernetes that makes application deployment a breeze? Welcome to TheOpsKart's course on Docker and Kubernetes for beginners. Course will take you on a captivating journey to master the fundamentals of containerization and orchestration. Hands-on lab sessions and live projects, you'll acquire practical skills that are vital for modern DevOps practices. The first part of this course introduces you to the concept of containerization. Here you'll discover the evolution from CRUTs to Docker and understand the benefits it offers in terms of efficiency and consistency. The next segment is all about getting started with Docker. You'll learn how to install Docker on various platforms, understand its architecture, and even run your first Docker container. In the third segment, you'll delve into the creation of Docker images, comprehend Dockerfile syntax, and gain hands-on experience in managing Docker containers effectively. The fourth part will help you master Docker networking, linking containers, and persisting data with Docker volumes. In the fifth session, you'll simplify multi-container application orchestration using Docker Compose and YAML files. The sixth section introduces you to Kubernetes, where you'll learn about its architecture and core concepts like pods, services, and deployments. In the seventh section, you'll delve into Kubernetes networking, service discovery, and network policies for effective traffic management. The eighth section will familiarize you with persistent volumes, storage classes, and dynamic provisioning in Kubernetes. In the ninth section, you'll explore monitoring tools, logging best practices, and centralized logging solutions for Kubernetes. The 10th section focuses on enhancing Kubernetes security with RBAC, container image security, and network policies. In the 11th segment, you'll automate CI/CD pipelines for Docker and Kubernetes deployments, including building and pushing Docker images. Finally, in the 12th part of our course, you'll dive into advanced Kubernetes features, Helm Package Manager, and best practices for Docker and Kubernetes deployments. With this comprehensive curriculum and practical approach, you're set to develop the skills needed to succeed in real-world Docker and Kubernetes environments. So, join us at TheOpsKart and start your journey to becoming a proficient Docker and Kubernetes practitioner.